Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to create this beauty in a can look. You can definitely wear it out for Halloween, if you want. So first, prep your skin. You need to make sure it's moisturized or it'll be dry. Now I'm going in with a nude, or you can use a white pencil, and you're going to start outlining the shape of where you would want your makeup placed inside. What I did was I did go ahead first and I applied the makeup on my face, on one side of my face, and I used the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I didn't show the eye look that I did because I felt like everyone would want to create their own look, something that they thought would go well with the look or something that they're more comfortable with. I mean, it is called the Beauty in a Can, so I feel like it's based on what you think it's beautiful or what you think is something that you would feel comfortable wearing with it. So now I'm taking a makeup wipe to remove all the excess makeup outside of the white outline that I created. For white paint, I'm using my Mehron makeup paint palette. This one's in Paradise, that's the name of the palette. I'm just going in with white paint and a flat foundation brush. I did have some water on the side, so I'm like dipping the brush in water and going in the paint, and I'm just rubbing it all outside of the outline that I created. You will notice in the video that I'm going in a few times on areas that I've already covered with white paint, just because white is such a transparent color, you could see right through it, and the fact that I'm using water, it makes it more transparent. So I'm going in just a few times to make sure that I'm darkening the shade of white so it looks like a canvas. And I'm just painting and painting. This brush is so amazing to work with the paint because it just curves to like all your curves, like your under eye, your nose. It was really easy to handle. I will put the details in the link below, well, the comment section below. That's what I meant, with links of everything that I used, just in case you guys do want to try this out. And look how easy it just curves. It's like butter. Yeah, I know you guys see me talking in the video. This look I did around 12. It was until 1, close to 2 in the morning I finished, because I started a few eye looks and I wasn't content with it. So I just kept changing it. That's why it took me a little longer than it was supposed to. And I was on FaceTime with my friend because I was not going to be upstairs alone at that time doing a makeup looking the way I looked. Like, I would definitely have scared myself. So I needed company, and she kept me company all night long until I finished the process. And I was asking her opinions, like, does it show like it's covered enough? I went in with Elmer's glue stick and I just put it over my brows. I did it after because I thought the paint would work well to cover my brows, but I wanted more coverage, so I just took the glue and I went over my brows a little bit more, just so when I did apply more of the white paint, it covered it. Now I'm using my RCMA powder, and I'm just tapping it on. It's a loose powder, and it's great for like theater makeup, and I do use it on some of my clients because it's a great loose setting powder. I just plopped some on my lid. It did help though, because it covered all of my lashes, so I didn't have to go in and like fix my lashes and make them white. It helped. Now I'm bringing the white down to my neck, and this is going to give it more of that canvas look. I also like bring it all the way down to my shoulders. So with this one, you don't really have to go over much because I feel like the face is what's the center of it all. And I'm covering my ears because, like I said, you're basically a canvas, a blank canvas. Getting inside your ear. I mean, if you're gonna do it, you might as well go all out. But yeah, the translucent powder that I was talking about by RCMA, it's really good, guys. You guys should give it a try. I think you could get it on a few like theater makeup websites. If you Google it, a few will pop up. I do mix it sometimes with my Laura Mercier translucent loose powder, and I create this blend, and it gives you such a great finish. I feel like I've mentioned it to a few of my clients and on YouTube before. If not, you guys give it a try. You will like the way it finishes. The next step will be taking a big stippling brush, or even a small one. You'll dip it in the white paint and you'll start stippling it on your face to create more of that airbrush finish look. Because if you look at an airbrush, it usually have like white spots on certain areas, so that's what I'm doing. And then after that, I cover my hand in the white paint also, because I'm going to hold up the can, so it gives it more of the effect. And last but not least, I'm going to go in with a black eyeliner. And all I did was basically curve out parts of my body that I know would normally have, like, I guess you can say the contour. Just simply drawing lines will give it more depth, and you're going to just draw the lines where your body normally has the indentation. And that's all, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I do hope you guys like it. If you need to leave me any comments, don't forget to do so below. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Until next time.